In this video, I'm going to show you how to change opacity in Photopea. This is a simple but very useful feature that allows you to control how transparent or visible any layer appears on your canvas, whether it is an image, text, or any other element. First, head over to your Photopea project and make sure your file is open. On the right-hand side of your screen, you will see the Layers panel where all your layers are listed. To change the opacity of any element, you need to select the layer you want to adjust by clicking on it once. Once the layer is selected, look at the top of the Layers panel and you will see an option labeled Opacity. Of course, along with a small arrow beside it. Click on the arrow next to the Opacity option and a slider will appear. By default, the opacity of every layer is set to 100%, meaning it is fully visible. As you move this slider toward the left, you will notice that the layer gradually becomes more transparent. The further left you move the slider, the lower the opacity becomes, allowing layers underneath to show through. If you want more precision, you can also type in a specific opacity value directly into the opacity box. For example, entering 50 will set the layer to exactly 50% opacity. This method works for all types of layers, including image layers, text layers, shapes, and other elements. Another way to adjust opacity is by double-clicking on the layer itself. When you do this, a new panel will open where you can again adjust the opacity using a slider or by entering a specific value. Once you are satisfied, simply click OK to apply the changes to your layer. And this is how you can change opacity in Photopea.